Hermes Gasparini must be feeling really happy after seeing Michael fail this PR attempt on his riser lift nearly a dozen times. After all, he knows that this is his best option to defeat Michael and probably his only option, which is through riser and back pressure. So basically a posting style hammer curl. Michael said that he never warms up for any of his workouts. So naturally, he didn't warm up for this PR session as well. We all can guess how difficult it can be to hit 5-6 different PRs within a matter of minutes. Your central nervous system is going to be taxed a lot. But what not many people see is how much effort goes into these live streams. Setting up live streams from multiple camera angles, setting up the weights in advance so that the time of the viewers isn't wasted, constantly speaking to the camera, speaking to the fans when you just hit a PR, when you're out of breath. This takes a toll on the body and it makes these lifts even more difficult. So if Michael is still hitting the PR in most of these lifts, it shows that he has more left in the tank. Anyways, the first lift was the pronation lift, the most famous one. Michael did 192.5 pounds. The previous world record, which was also set by Michael, was 191.5 pounds. Yes, his arm was opening a lot, but the weight moved easier than before. And if anyone else was lifting this way with an open arm angle, I would be calling out that person every day. First of all, nobody can lift that way because I think it is equally difficult, but you don't arm wrestle like that. That's why I would be calling out that person, but not Michael, because that's exactly how Michael arm wrestles. His arm is going to be in the same position. So unfortunately, as bad as this lift looks, it is going to translate exactly on the table only for Michael Todd. Michael said that he will be doing 200 pounds on this lift before the Hermes match, and if he wanted, he could have done 200 pounds that day. That's how strong he was feeling. And then the over-the-top knuckle riser lift, which Michael failed maybe 10 times at least. 143.5 pounds, which is 65 kilos. But Michael did say that this is the one I struggle with the most. This is the hardest lift for me. And surprisingly, he also mentioned that the way Hermes does this lift, which is a slight variation, that lift is more difficult than Michael's lift. And Hermes still lifts 65 kilos. So maybe that's why Hermes must be feeling really happy, because that's Hermes Gasparini's only chance to rise over the top of Michael's hand, to gain height and to get onto Michael's fingers before he goes for the top roll and the press. And then the pronation engaged back pressure, 287 pounds. Michael was saying that he's planning to get up to 302 pounds before the Hermes match on this lift. He was also saying that people think that this lift does not target the pronation, but when they themselves try it, they get turned palm over. The first thing that is attacked is their pronation. With this lift, Michael was also joking that it will be possible that Michael pulled Hermes Gasparini's whole body across the table in 2025. Then he did these preacher holds with single arm for 15 seconds with 154.5 pounds. Then outside side pressure with 244 pounds for 5 reps. I have a plan to beat Hermes 3-0. That's how I want it to happen. If it doesn't, I don't care if this dude fouls out 3 times. Michael said that what's more important for him is him winning this match and getting the opportunity against Levan so that he can become the best arm wrestler in the world. Winning in fashion, winning in style against Hermes is not his top priority. Don't expect this to be a beautiful display of arm wrestling. You're gonna see a beautiful display of heart and faith. Looks like Michael is winning a lot of fans every day with the dedication that he's showing towards his workout, towards this upcoming Hermes Gasparini match. And looks like Hermes may have to fight the hardest battle in his entire career if he wants to win this match. Thanks for watching, like the video, and I'll see you again.